How do you invite your LinkedIn connections to follow your company page on LinkedIn? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from LearnDigitalWithRahul.com, and today we are going to learn how to invite your LinkedIn connections to follow your company page. Now without any further delay, let's get started. In order to invite your LinkedIn connections to follow your company page, first of all you have to go to LinkedIn and navigate to your company page where you want to invite them to follow your company page. Here in this case, I have got this page here which is showing up here, but there's alternative method as well. For that you will have to click on this me icon in the top right corner, and after that from these drop down menu items you can select company page here. If you have got multiple company pages here, you will see that as well, but in this case I have only one company page associated with this account, so I'm getting this only one company page here. Next, you need to select the company page for which you want to invite your connections to follow. So select it and it will open the company page. Now the next step to inviting your LinkedIn connections to follow your company page is by simply selecting the option from these left menu items which says invite to follow. So click on this, and after that you'll get these various options from where you can either select any of these to invite them, or you can also search for your connection names here by typing something, and that would appear here. And once that appears, you can select that, and once selected you'll see them in the right side here. You can see it says to selected. That means we have selected two connections and we are going to invite them. You will see here it says invite to. So if we click on this invite to button, this will basically send the invite to follow my page on LinkedIn, and these connections will get the invite for following my company page. And you can see here I have got 100 credits available. That means LinkedIn provides you 100 credits to invite your LinkedIn connections every month. So if you invite 100 after the 30 days, that means when the month ends, in this case August 31st, that means after 31st August, these 100 credits will expire and my account will get refreshed with 100 new credits as well. So in this case, if I invite these two, my credits will decrease to 98 credits only. So that's how you invite your LinkedIn connections to follow your company page. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know. And if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. And by the way, if you need my help with your marketing strategies, make sure to check out the video description below to know how you can work with me. Thanks for watching.